And then that should be good. Remember I said how quick and easy this is? Now you see, I'm just gonna add that to the bowl. I have 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna add my mayonnaise. And just a couple sprinkles of black pepper. You don't need a lot of seasoning in this because the chicken was already seasoned. Just gonna fold all of that in there together. There's a bone in there that I didn't get out. Let's get that out of there. And that's all there is to it.